Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to reduce the size of any video without losing its quality in Windows. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link on the video descriptions also, and if this website link does not work, so I'll be leaving one more website link in the video description, so you can click on the either link 1 or link 2, whichever works for you. So if this first website link does not work, then you can use the link number 2. So after that, you can see here download for Windows. Just click on download and download it firstly. So as I have already downloaded, so I'm not going to do it again. So after that, downloading, just go to the folder where you have downloaded this file or the software. Now you can see the software application, just double click it to run the installer. So finally the software has been installed successfully, and now you can see it's directly open. So here it will show you some instructions about what's new on this version. So just you can close it. So you can see the software's user interface. So how it looks very minimalistic. So it's asking just drag and drop, or you can just click on here to access where you have saved the video file. So you can just drag and drop. So in my case, I have a video file right on the desktop area, as you can see on the left side of my desktop screen. So before proceeding, I'll just like to give you a quick overview. So you can see here faster encode, so you can see smaller file size, reduced quality, and here you can see better quality, bigger file size, slow compressions, and here you can see the right side is a custom. So you can click on the custom also, and now you can choose a better or fast encode, and you can select the video rescale also, 25, 50, 75%, 100%, whatever quality you want. So, and you can see in the better quality also you have a different options, that is to select for video rescale 25, 50, 75, 100. So I'll select the first encode and I'll keep it in the 100% to get the most and the best video quality. So all your settings are done. Now let me show its properties, that is the video properties. So you can see here it's almost a 16 MB, right? So let us try to reduce how much it can reduce. So I'll just drag it here. You need to wait for some seconds or some minutes depending upon how big your video file is. So it's starting to encode, so have patience until the complete task is done. So you can see the file has been reduced. So you can see this is the edited file. So you can see the file size is 8.43, almost the half size of the original file, which is 16 MB. So let us check the video quality, how it looks. So let me open the original video quality firstly. So this is the original video quality, and let me try to play the edited or the reduced video quality. So finally you can see it looks almost the same, right? So this is how you can reduce the size of any video without losing its quality in Windows very easily. So if you never known about this very tiny yet useful software to reduce the size of any video without losing its quality in Windows, then you should definitely try it out. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.